Everyone, welcome. Breaking news, 1.25 billion Ripple acquisition. And you wonder why we keep buying XRP. I don't care. It went to 160. I panic bought at 160. There's endless good news when it comes to XRP. It's one of the reasons, guys, Ripple just shocked the entire crypto industry. Take a look at what I'm showing you right now on the screen. Good morning. I like to wake up to news like this, to be honest with you. There's a lot of things moving right now. I'm going to take my time little by little by little. There are still some trade things going on with China and the US. There's a few things that people might say we can bring the price down. This is crypto. We cannot control that. But what I'm showing you here is something that 2 hours ago broke the internet, right? There's a lot of things going on. Ripple is positioning to be one of the top digital assets company in the entire world, because here in the US, I think it's already one of the biggest. And well, 161 XRP, a few, like, what was it, Sunday, Monday? Right now, it's almost $2. A lot of people are making money. Kudos to you. So this is what the official announcement looks like. But we have Brad Garlinghouse, we have Monica Long, the president, the CEO. Crypto Soros is saying one of the largest deals in the crypto space right now, guys. And the price, well, a couple hours ago went to 197. That means that if you got the 161, you're looking at a 22% in about, what is it, 24 hours? That's amazing. That's for a top 5 crypto. Just insane. This is really good. I want to talk about crypto. I want to talk about all the latest. By the way, Jasmine doing well right now. There's a few cryptos that are coming up pretty nicely. And smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And shout out to all the XRP army for stopping by. We appreciate you guys, your preference. And I'll take a look at the comments as always. Man, buying a bunch of XRP yesterday was the right choice. When there's a massive blood and FUD and everybody calling it that we're going to go super bad, I decide to join. I decide to go in because I can smell, I'm a shark. So we get paid once things go back up. Today, Ripple announced it, acquiring Hidden Road for $1.25 billion, becoming the first crypto company to own and operate a global multi-asset prime broker. Good. That means that once you own a broker, once you become a broker, you can make so much more money in all kinds of ways. Together, Ripple and Hidden Road are bringing the promise of digital assets to institutional customers at scale, bridging traditional finance and decentralized finance in ways never seen before, which you can click here, and there's obviously going to be the article where you can just go ahead and enjoy exactly what's all going to happen. But look at this. So we put some numbers here, right? Because my people watching love numbers. Hidden Road has a strong business, clearing $3 trillion annually across markets with more than 300 top institutional clients. With the backing of Ripple's significant balance sheet, Hidden Road will exponentially expand its capacity to service its pipeline and become the largest non-bank prime broker globally. I should just stop the video right now. Goodbye, fam. Take it easy. What else it's there to say? I mean, I think I'm buying XRP because just XRP. Guys, that's too short-sighted. I'm buying XRP because Ripple, man. I like to have a big, beautiful, strong, beefy company behind a coin. I don't mind that it's centralized. I'm part of this. And like Crypto.com with CRO, I like that CDC is behind CRO, right? What else? I mean, think about another one, right? So personally, I might not be in the likes of many, but I like it. It's like Degens and community members, that's fine. But when there's a big, massive corporation behind it, I don't know. To me, it's like more secure, in my opinion. Ripple will inject billions of dollars of capital to provide immediate scale. RLUSD becomes the first stablecoin to enable efficient cross-margin between digital assets and traditional markets, and Hidden Road to migrate post-trade activity. across the XRP ledger. I wish I could show you a video of how this, because this is just so important that I understand, what's behind, or I can already picture what's going to be behind it. It's so much money, so many figures. And well, why don't we go ahead and let the CEO explain it, right? Because there's a big, long, and this video is just going to be all about this. We also know that the XRP 2X, XRP ETF is coming up. It's hard for me. I saw some of your comments saying, just say it this way, but it's XRP ETF. Ripple announced the acquisition of Hidden Road for $1.25 billion, one of the largest deals ever in the crypto space. But the price tag isn't what's important. It's that this deal will make a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for crypto to access the largest, most trusted traditional markets and vice versa. The prime brokers, along with other key functions historically managed by banks in most part, like Hidden Road, have proven themselves the trusted intermediary for the largest hedge funds, market makers, OTC deals, quant traders, and more. So Ripple has been a customer of Hidden Road for years, and we know their breadth of experience firsthand, clearing $3 trillion annually for 300 plus of the top institutions. This is the capital and activity that will tap into XRP and the XRP ledgers, bread and butter, instant, efficient, scalable, and low-cost movements of value. Wow. $3 trillion, man. This is the capital and activity that will tap into XRP and the XRP ledger, bread and butter, instant, efficient, scalable, low-cost movement of value. Guys, big things are coming. If you want to go ahead and buy XRP right now, click the first link down below and sign up on BTCC. Join me while trading, because we're watching really closely. You got all the bonuses. You got all the links. No VPN, no KYC, guys. Up to 500x leverage. Lower trading fees. Up to 10,000 per user. Shout out to all the members who are already trading. I see you guys, the volume and everything is increasing, because the time is now, to be bullish. I'm not going to tell you that the pain is over. I'm not going to tell you that we're finally going to be pumping back up, but I think it's still good to go up by 22% in news about the ETF, about, Hidden Road, and obviously because of the tariffs, that there was a point of, okay, that's it. The pain stops at 161 and let's just kind of like start going back up. There was a lot of blood, of course, on Sunday. A lot of people lost. A lot of people got liquidated. That happens a lot, right? You have to be knowledgeable. You have to know what's going on. But the dump is going to eventually stop, and there's going to come a nice pullback, comeback. So if you're looking for that, well, you can always do it on BTCC. Sign up, and I'll see you there trading, guys. The time is now to be bullish. Monica Long, the president of Ripple, says the fundamentals tenets of what both Ripple and Hidden Road are trying to do are the same: build better financial infrastructure for good movement of value. Through Hidden Road, the first time an institutional investor is able to post multiple forms of collateral, right? So RLUSD to one of the counterparty and trade over 100 plus venues and liquidity providers to support 1,000 plus assets across FX, crypto, fixed income, and more. So that, in combination with using the XRP ledger for post-trade settlement in the future, means the possibilities are staggering. Wow. Yeah. Just know that if XRP was not appreciated enough right now with this deal, it's just going to skyrocket in demand. And now with this acquisition, many things are on the table, guys. Obviously, all the XRP ETFs, spot ETFs, not leverage, right? The one that's going to go live today, but spot will be approved. Come on, man. They will be approved. So I'm not waiting for them to be approved so I can buy more XRP. Period. Right now, guys, I'll tell you that my most recent and most baller price cost basis that I made is 169. I'm very happy for it. We're basically back to the 190s twos, and we'll see how everything goes, you know, as we're waiting for more tariffs. We know, let me show you this. We know that the war here it's growing, right? It's not really easy. China is saying they're not gonna bow down, you know, to Trump's tariffs. It's still ongoing, right? This is heated, and well, that's the Treasury Secretary, of course, speaking out, and they're not gonna surrender per se, you know, to Trump. So there might be some more pain ahead. I'm not saying that because of this great news that XRP is not gonna come down. It might come down, but like I did, guys, I'm just gonna go in again if I can, because the great news are endless, and just great opportunities, guys, to buy the dip, look at the long term, and enjoy the next incoming rally. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Click the link down below, sign up, and I'll see you next time. Peace.